We are able to drive around with our brains. Most powerful machinery in the world, ever known to man, without any paper confirmation. And this is the reason why the stress levels and the depression levels are skyrocketing, because the world is changing and we are trying to adapt, and yet we don't know how the brain works. It's overwhelmed. I mean, you go and see people at 2 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they are online. And yet they are expected to get to work fresh and to bring their best selves to it. Do you know how many people are not sleeping at night? But they show up in the morning. And then they are complaining that the companies are not paying them enough, but they are not bringing the 100%. So this is the biological issue we talk about. Now, what is neuroscience? When you look at this, neuroscience is a study that looks at the function and the structure of the nervous system. I'm standing here and you are seated over there because of the nervous system. The nervous system is always trying to reach the state of equilibrium, which is something that we call homeostasis. That's why when it's a bit hot, you can feel it. When it's a bit cold, you can feel it. So that's the part of the brain that does that. If the nervous system is not functioning well, you wouldn't be here. So this is the study of science.